let's kick things off with our very first sneak. We have Project Fastfill by Gabriel Huang.
Woo! All right. Thank you. Let's get started. So I'm editing content for this project that I'm working on. Look at this stunning portrait shot. Beautiful smile, looking very confident, but I feel like the people in the background are a bit distracting. No worries, I know how to fix this, right? Let's use generative fill to remove them. To start, I just need to simply draw a mask around these people. All right? Okay, cool. And then I just need to hit the generate button. The AI will do all the work for me. All right, let's just wait for a couple of seconds to see the results. And there you go. They're gone. I know. Every time I see this, I got blown away. So look at the choices I got, right? All right, I think this one looks good. Well, I believe you have seen this before, right? You can use generative AI to assist you with image editing. What is the surprise here? Well, what if I tell you this is not a photo? This is actually a video. Look.
Oh my gosh!
Woo! All right. So this is Project Fastfill. See, using Fastfill, you can edit your video as easy as editing a photo. Look, I just edited this one single frame, and the result is being applied to each individual frames. All right.
Oh my gosh.
I know. Okay, hold on. Let me play this again, right? I can simply turn off and then turn back on the edits for you to see how seamless this is. All right, thanks. Okay, cool. All right, this one looks pretty good. Let's move on to the next clip.
No, that one was really good, Gabriel.
I got more for you. I got more for you.
All right.
All right, so let's look at this gentleman walking very confidently in front of the camera.
Strutting.
But I feel like there's something missing. Where is his tie? Let's give him a tie using generative fill. So, yeah, you got it. Again, simply draw a mask around the collar. All right. Okay. This time, let's give generative fill a text prompt and hit generate. Again, the AI is doing all the hard work for me, and let's just wait for a couple of seconds. We'll see the results. And okay, all right. There's a tie. Not super obvious. Okay, this one looks good, right? Okay, cool. Hold on. I know.
But wait.
This is a video, right? So let's fast fill.
Woo!
There we go.
Yay! See, with the click of a single button, the result is being applied to the entire sequence. And look, this is not just motion tracking. Look at the color and the shading of the tie. It actually changes with the light. So see, when this man walks into the sunlight, brightens up, and he walks into the shadow, he automatically darkens itself. Everything with just one click. Thanks. All right, I got one last example to show you guys. You guys ready? Yeah, okay, cool. Have you ever thought of showing off a different latte art design? Let's give this cup a makeover. You can see this one is a pretty tricky case. Look at the liquid surface. It's actually moving and warping and shifting in random shapes. But with that being said, let's see how fast we handle this. To save some time, I pre-generated the results backstage. Now I can simply just import them, and there is a mask. And underneath the mask, there is your new pattern. Now, without further ado, let's fast fill. Yeah, this is amazing, right? Right, look how perfectly this new pattern follows the motion of the liquid surface. All right, there you have it. Generative AI can already assist you with image creation and manipulation. Now you can do the same on videos. Thank you.
Thank you, Gabriel.
Thanks.
Thank you, Gabriel. That is Project Fast Fill. I mean, I think it's wild. Having seen generative fill in Photoshop, the fact that you can now do that with video, like the motion tracking, the lighting with the guy with the tie, it's incredible.
I feel like I wish this technology was available when I did Workaholics, because it was always down to my knees. I used to have a team that would help me tie this thing.
Thank you, Gabriel. That was great.
You can just send me your clip to me, and then I will do the
Oh,
edit
there
for
you
you.
go.
All right, great.
All right.
Easy enough.
I got a
Thank you.
tech
Let's
guy
hear it
now.
one more time for Gabriel.
Gabriel, great job, buddy.
Thank you.
Thanks.